Hey, what's up guys? So in today's video we will see how to add and remove your Google account on any Xiaomi Redmi smartphone. To do that, just open the settings app. Now from here, search account. Now from here, tap on accounts and sync. Now from here, tap on add account. Tap on Google. Now from here, you can create a new account or you can log into your existing account from here. Now from here, enter your email address. Now from here, once you enter your email, tap on next. Now from here, enter your password or tap on forgot password if you have forgotten your password. Now, once you have entered your password, tap on next. From here, tap on save. Now tap on I agree. Now from here, tap on Google. Now as you can see, we have successfully entered our Google account. And if you want to remove your Google account, just tap on your email. Now from here, tap on the three dots at the bottom of your display. From here, tap on remove account. Now tap on remove account. And this is how you can add and remove Google account on any Xiaomi Redmi smartphone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.